It is April the 8th. These chicken babies have been with me for 4 days. I did make a video yesterday, but it did not save for some reason, and it was a good video. So, here these are. My other chickens have been with me 39 days. Yep, 39 days. Tomorrow will be the 40th day they've been with me. This is just their 4th day with me. These little baby ones. And they haven't grown much. Not like at all. I'm not going to say at all, but they really haven't grown in size. It's only been 4 days, but yeah, so there they are. Feeders right there. Put some feed right there, and it's mostly all done. Well, I'm going to pause this, just bring you outside to the big coop. So, we're outside to the big coop, and show you the chicken. There we go, under there, yeah, probably don't, yeah. There's two more, so there's 4 outside. Where is that? I put the water up just a minute ago. That's food. It's not full, I just give this one food out. They have not been using the house florins, I know. Wow. It hurts. That's bad. Okay, well, they're getting pretty big. There's a rooster. That's a hen. Let's see. I'll show you that one time. They're still getting there. Here's one. There's 3, 4. Yeah, a little roof bar. Just put in the box right here. Yeah, there's that one, there's that one. There's something. They're pretty big. They're growing. I don't know why I just said they're not. I got distracted. Well, they are pretty big. They're pretty big. They're pretty big because they were little chicken babies when I got them. Come on up. This is wood is been gone straight. Well, there's my chickens. They're doing pretty good. Yeah, she's coming out. Well, no, she's not. 5 that's the hen coming down. That's the hen that just ran over by that rooster. I think I got like 4 roosters. And out of 6 chickens I bought at Tractor Supply. I know a good way to tell hens and roosters when they're babies. You hold them up with their feet showing. If they hang down, then they're most likely a rooster. If they come up, then they're probably a hen. And there they are. All of them outside now. They come out sometimes a day, really. They don't stay out here all the time. So, well, Well, I'm gonna stop the video now.